The key issues, I think, all relate to the fact that when you're writing songs with clients in music therapy, it can feel more collaborative because we have more of a collaborative role. It may be that we are more responsible for generating melody and form. So it can at times feel as if we run the risk of doing things for our clients rather than allowing them to do it. And so the key issues are: allow your client to be the one that writes the words. And you don't need to paraphrase what they're saying. You don't need to correct it. It doesn't need to rhyme. In fact, as far as you're concerned, it doesn't even necessarily need to make any sense. It needs to be their words and the way that they want to say it. You need to constantly encourage people to connect with their sense of creativity. So make things as easy as possible. So use maybe creative writing techniques like acrostic, which is a way that we take a word and explore the word just by writing using the letters of the word. There are various other creative writing devices that I find really helpful. But one way or another, give your client the opportunity to explore and to use language without sitting there with an empty page thinking, I can't write songs, I can't write a poem. It's quite usual for clients when you say, would you like to write a song, for them to say, I can't see how I could possibly get that right. And our job is to make it clear to them that they couldn't possibly get it wrong. I think the most important thing in all of this is to stay in the music. If you keep this a musical experience, whatever that might mean, so in other words, you're just providing some musical accompaniment to this, you're always going back to a musical beginning, wherever you started, then something helpful will always happen. The thing to avoid is sitting in silence, staring at an empty page with someone who's never believed they could ever write, because that's going to feel very difficult. So our job is to keep the process musical, keep giving them opportunities to be creative, to make sure that you honor their contributions wholly so they feel like they own it, no matter how simple the song is. So although there is a collaborative nature and we are helping our clients to create this, they emerge with a strong sense that they are the agent of its creation.